Hello everyone, learn Excel tips with Sandesh. Today we are going to talk about the topic Vlookup. Okay, so we will go to the data straight away. So this is the data. For example, you have taken like employee ID, first name, last name, department name, region, branch, hire date, and salary. So there are 31 employees in this sheet. There is a requirement that only few employees are eligible for incentives. That incentive details are available in another sheet. So if we come to the sheet, there is a data like employee ID with employee 31, 29, and what are the eligible incentive amount. So we need to get this data into the main sheet. So for this purpose, we will use the VLOOKUP. So main reference for both the tables is employee ID and in this sheet also employee ID. So we will do the VLOOKUP. So enter VLOOKUP bracket open. So lookup value is this employee ID, then comma, go to the reference table from here like employee ID. So we will select all, then we will put F4 dollar symbol, then comma. We wanted second row, second comma. We need to enter false or 0 to get the exact match and close the bracket. So now you can see for the employee ID, the incentive amount is 5,000. So we can cross check here. Employee ID 1 is 5,000. So same way the formula can be dragged. So the amounts mentioned in the sheet 8,000 for 31 employee ID. So we can see for employee ID 31. So this way we can use it incentive. But sometimes the whatever we have put formula, it is looking very ugly. We don't want to show this NA. So means not available. Data is not available. To overcome this, one more tip I'll give you. We can use if NA formula. We need to type before this if NA bracket open. So what it does after bracket, if output is there, it will show the output. Otherwise, we can tell what we wanted. So right now I'm mentioning no data. Double quotes. So this whatever we are going to type that will be between double quotes and bracket close and enter. So now the amount is coming if the value is there. Otherwise, wherever no amount, so it will show as no data. Next, normally we will use VLOOKUP only with 0, that is exact match. How to use 1, right? So there is a requirement that salary. We wanted salary with the different brackets with different grade. So we have done it here. Salary 0 class 4, then 10,000 onwards, whatever salary is there, that will be considered as class 3, then 20,000 onwards, class 2. So we have made a setup based on this. So we'll put a VLOOKUP here. Equals VLOOKUP bracket. So here we are taking salary as a base, comma, sheet 2, salary, F4, comma, here 2, second column. Now we are going to use approximate match, that is true, or we can enter 1. Both are the same. Bracket close. Now you can see class 2. So amount is 21,875, which is coming under class 2. Means 20,000, 29,999, it is going to take it as class 2 only. So this same formula we can use it like this way. This way you can use VLOOKUP with 0, that is exact match, and 1 for approximate match. If you want to cross check, just change the amount to 999. You can see it is coming class 4. And if you type it as 10,000, it will come to the class 3. So thank you for attending this. Please like and share. Thank you.